Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Zohaib and this is tutorial about making interactive and engaging presentations for online teaching. Here I am using Google Slides with Peer Deck add-on. It works only with online version of Google Slides, but they both work really nice together. Let's see how it can be used. Let's install it first. Open any internet browser of your choice, then go to new tab, open slides.google.com to go to the Google's online Google Slides, and then on the home page you can either choose to make new presentation or open an existing one, but I will make a new one. Now go to add-ons and click on get add-ons in the drop down list, this one. Okay, once you do that, you will find Peer Deck right on the top. If you do not find it there, you can type in the search box and then you can find it. Once you have found it, install it by clicking on this button, but I have already installed it. After installing, just close it and go back to Google Slides. Now when you click on add-ons, you will find Peer Deck add-on in the drop down list here. You have to open Peer Deck add-on. Now it may ask you to sign up first, but no problem. You can simply choose the option to sign up using Google Mail or Gmail and then enter your UTHM email address and it will work just fine.